Welcome back. Let's get you all the latest updates you need to know this morning on the farmers' agitation. Talks with the centre failed to yield any results yesterday. The next round of talks scheduled for tomorrow, and in the meanwhile, farmers have intensified their agitation. A major face-off between cops and farmers was reported at Delhi's Ghazipur border this morning. Last evening, several farmers also tried to block the Delhi-Noida border, demanding a rollback, of course, of the 3 farm laws. The Chilla border on Noida Link Road has been shut now. This is in addition to 4 borders in North as well as West Delhi that have been either blocked or shut for the last many days. The farmers from Uttar Pradesh have also now joined the agitation. Yesterday, in the meeting with 35 farmer unions, the Modi government did try to allay some apprehensions of the farmers on the farm laws, but they did make it clear that the reforms will not be rolled back. The government, however, proposed that a panel of officials and experts be set up to look into farmers' grievances. Farmers have meanwhile raised their concern, claiming that the current laws are like a death warrant and will lead to private players snatching away their land. Let me take this across to Milind Sharma. She's reporting live from Singhu border. Milind, good morning. For the last many days where you're standing, the Singhu border has been shut down. Since talks yesterday didn't really yield any result, do you see any sort of palpable tension on the ground now?
Well, all the farmers at Singhu border had representations that met with the government yesterday, about 35 representations that went from here, as well as few from Haryana, as well Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. But let me tell you, that has been the first line of talks with the government. Behind me you will see that everybody is peacefully sitting here. It's morning time and they are all peacefully sitting and listening to whatever is being said to them over here. But we know that the protest will go on for now, because the farmers are asking for a written commitment on the MSP as well and the APMC Mandi systems. For now, this is the backdrop at which every farmer is going to be protesting, and you will see that since they had come prepared, Akshita, they have brought rations for months on end. They are not going to budge from here. The talks with the government was just the first line of starting of a conversation, but certainly it's going to take some time before the farmers will agree or sit with the government face to face and chalk out new details for how the farm bills will need to be. But peaceful protest here at the Singhu border right now. There, back to you.
Milind, can you also give us an update with regards to which of these border checkpoints are closed for commuters who are looking to enter into Delhi? How can they really travel now, considering that many of these border checkpoints, we understand, have now been blocked off or shut down completely?
Akshita, I'm standing at the Singhu border checkpoint, which is one of the major national highways, and that connects all the way between Punjab and Haryana from Delhi. Of course, at other border points such as the Tikri border, as well Ghazipur and Ghaziabad point of borders, there are people who have blocked those roads. But for Singhu border, which happens to be one of the prominent national highways, the police has already diverted routes and other alternatives have been made. Of course, it takes a lot of time for someone to reach from one place to another now. But since the protest has been here and the farmers refuse to go to the Burari ground as well, they said that they will stay here until and unless the government is able to assure them on their farm bill demands. But certainly till the time that they stay here, the government would also feel some amount of pressure to chalk out proper talks with the farmer representations. And yesterday also there's been a demand for forming a committee. However, the farmers say that when the committee will be formed on the 3rd of December, another line of talks will happen. Till then, it seems that yes, these farmers farmers will continue to sit peacefully and protest right at the Singhu border, and they shall not go anywhere apart from here.
All right, Milind, thank you for joining us with the latest updates from the Singhu border. There are several areas, several border points across the national capital looking exactly how things are at the Singhu border, with farmers gathering in large numbers and the area completely being closed down. Let's listen in to what some protesting farmers have to say about their ongoing agitation.
अपने कानून ये वापस लेंगे तभी यहाँ से हम वापस जाएंगे, क्योंकि किसान इतना परेशान है, ना तो गन्ने का पैसा मिल रहा है, ना हम लोगों का धान बिक रहा है। इसी तरह की कोई भी ये सरकार में हमें किसी तरह कोई सुविधा नहीं मिल रही है। इतना ज्यादा परेशान किया है इस सरकार ने कि हद से ज्यादा परेशान है।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.